They are singing, appreciating God for what God has done for them. They are singing songs of praise for the success of the work of the project. They are happy because God has done it for them. They are thanking God. They are giving praise to God for what God has done for them. They are appreciating God. They are singing praises to God for the completion of this project. They are happy. They are happy. They are singing. They are singing for what God has done for them. Yeah. Aji, di kanan.